The difference this time is that Sara Duterte is still the front runner by far. Ready na yung isang side. Every survey number shows solid contender ng mga Dutertes as we speak. So, ako ang proposal ko is why not see more Bam, Kiko, I don't know, no, Cardinal David, Riz, group as a group come together. Not like Risa saying or Kiko saying, like come together and make it clear, kami ang alternative nyo. I'm not gonna tell who you're gonna choose, but coming alternative nyo. I mean, of course, in the case of Colonel David, it's not political, but in the sense that, don't worry, may pag-asa ang Pilipinas dahil nandito kami. Hindi kami perpektong tao, pero alam nyo yung track record namin, hindi kami corrupt, para sa good governance kami. I like the fact na nung last, yung trillion peso march, binigyan ng oportunidad yung mga kaibigan natin, celebrities, etc., non-political people.
Para sa lahat naman ng mga politiko at bahagi na ng gobyerno na nagnakaw sa atin, isa lang ang gusto namin sabihin sa inyong lahat. Patawad kay Father, pero na ninyo! Tapos na ang panahon ng mga bababait at ng mga resilient.
Sa mga susunod na rallies as things get tense, sana makita natin, people have to see who are the leaders, who are the alternatives. Because Sara is saying, I'm running for president, I'm here, and she probably has a third of the country already behind her. Yun yung concern ko.